when it comes to value investing, I've hit six-figure trades. This is my second one now. First one was back in 2017. I didn't play it quite right, but my brain saw something. There was a fire in me. And now, come 2020, I was presented with the same
Now it's paying
opportunity.
off. Yep.
Exactly. Same opportunity,
What
different.
what is it that like stuck out to you that you see? Is it just reading value-based risk reward opportunities? Is that where you think your skill really is?
I see what's
That's a
important. I see
okay.
what's important. And I see, when I say important, I see like, I mean, like, what use does this have in real world applications?
Application. Yep. Yep.
And if it has high use, I'm
Yep.
going to break that sector down because I'm going to find where I could be in that market to participate in the usage.
So now how do you compare this to gold or silver? I don't know if you compare it to Bitcoin because crypto is not a commodity, but let's
Yeah.
compare it to other commodities in the sense of like silver to me has huge upside potential. Like I
So
think within 10, you know what I mean? I think silver will be over $100 an ounce when I have kids, you know what I mean? And that'll be something that I could say to them. We were
yeah,
talking about it at $14 an ounce, kid. You know what I mean? Like I wish my dad was saying that to me about gold when he was my age. When he was my age, gold was like 40, $50 an ounce. You know what I'm
that's
saying?
crazy.
So that's how I look at it. Do you think helium is a potential for like that type of an investment? Is that how you're looking at the trade that you're still holding, or are you looking for another pop and you're looking to bounce?